Hello! In today's video we're going to be doing a somewhat special unboxing. I know I say that in a lot of videos, but I'm going to be doing a somewhat special unboxing of an orchid species and actually an orchid genus that I've never heard before. And this is going to be one of the very few African species that I have in my collection. I think the only African ones that I have are I think they're in Gracum, so yeah. And here we just have some information. We have the shipping label or shipping list right here, and this, which is like showing that it doesn't have any diseases or whatever. But this is an orchid unboxing from Orchid John on eBay, which I do a lot of here on this channel. For some reason, I feel like if I like to buy seedlings from a seller, I generally only buy seedlings, and if I see that a seller has a lot of like mature plants, then I'll usually just buy mature plants from them. And Orchid John sells a lot of seedlings, and a lot of my seedlings are from his site. So here it is. It's a small little thing if you couldn't tell. So this orchid is called Diaphananthe pellucida, and this is a sub-Saharan African species, and its range goes from Sierra Leone all the way across pretty much directly under the Sahara over to Uganda. So it has quite a wide range, and it looks like this one is mounted. There we go. So yeah, and the name is kind of weird because the orchid name is, let me finish opening this up. Okay, this is very small. So here it is. And the orchid name in Greek, the genus name Diaphananthe means invisible, and the species name pellucida in Latin means transparent as well. So I don't know what the taxonomists were thinking, if they just hadn't had their coffee when they named this one, but the name basically means invisible, transparent orchid, which is kind of weird. So I got this because it needs heavy shade, or at least that's what I saw on the IOPSE website, and the flowers are supposed to be fragrant, and from a lot of the pictures that I saw of the orchid when it's full grown online, it seems to be very floriferous with putting out a lot of flower spikes when I've seen it in bloom. So this one, since it's mounted and I don't feel like taking it off of this because it seems to be doing really well. We have a green root tip right here, a green root tip right here, and there's, oops, sorry. You can see there's two plants, one's right here and one's right here, and they've got a lot of little roots growing onto this thing right here. So I now just thought I'm gonna mount it or keep it mounted, but now I'm thinking that since it doesn't seem to be super attached onto there, I do want to kind of, maybe I might just unmount it and put it in a pot, because it does like to be evenly watered or evenly moist at all times, and I feel like even in the greenhouse, in the grow tent, I'm not going to be able to provide the amounts of moisture that it needs while it's mounted. So we'll see what goes on with that. And yeah, I just wanted to show you this little one. Cute little unboxing. Yeah, the leaves are kind of yellow, but we'll see if that's from stress or whatever, at least on this one. But this one, the leaves seem really green, so I'm not worried at all. And this is $25 plus $14 shipping, so you can do the math on that. I think it was around $40. But yeah, I'm very excited to have this species. I think at the end of this video, I'll put in some pictures of the orchid when it's fully grown, and also of the flowers as well, so you can see that. Anyways, thank you for watching. This has been the unboxing video of my Diaphananthe pellucida, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.